Hello everybody and welcome back to Otto Craft. I know, very fast intro. Anyways, I have actually quite a bit planned in this episode, and if you watched the last episode, you would know what we're doing today. We're gonna go on a VC with Mr. StarMC here, and then we're gonna build a skelly grinder that's under my base. I don't know how or remember how to get there, but it should be simple enough. But I actually have something planned before we do that, and that is to make a max bookshelf for enchanting. So we have all the resources, I believe, in a chest. Oh, here's all the paper. We may need more wood. Where's all my leather? Please tell me okay, wait, oh wait, that's not the leather. Oh, here we go. Okay, we're good. Scared for a moment that I had no more leather, and that could have been bad. Anyways, how many bookshelves can we craft? Where's the book? Oh wait, we actually need to craft books for a bookshelf. Who would have guessed that? Don't think anybody here would. Anyways, bookshelf, could craft 21, but I believe all we need is 15. I'll just craft 17 just to be safe. And just surround this enchanting table with bookshelves. Uh-oh. Oops. Anyways, I think this is the max bookshelf. I hope this is... Oh, Fortune 2. Dang, that's... Whoa. That's a pretty nice enchant, not gonna lie. But I'd sooner Fortune 3. So, I'm gonna craft some stuff with my diamonds. What should I craft? Well, let's craft a chest plate. And boots. Let's go. Cover me with diamonds, Pog. Let's go. Let's see what enchant we can get on these. I'm breaking 3. Feather. Oh my. Dude, if that wasn't a level 18 enchant, that would be so good. What do we have here? I'm breaking 3. Dude, So I believe there is a lower chance to get better enchants the lower of, like, enchanting level you go. So I'm not sure if, like, it's gonna affect anything. If I do Feather Falling 4, I may or may not get Prop 4 as well. Dude, I don't know. Should I risk it? Or should I risk it for the biscuit? I don't know. Dude. Okay, that could be way worse. That could have been way worse. I'll keep that. That could have been way worse. And what enchants can we get on pickaxe now? Efficiency 4 and fire prot 3, which is not good. But okay, that is actually really good. So if we get another pair of boots, which I probably will in the future, then that'll actually be really good if I can combine them with another pair of boots. So that's actually pretty pog. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, I forgot to mention in between episodes, I may have done like a little tweaks with the house. Like I added little shutters. I don't know if I actually added these planters in the episode or not, because you know I just don't remember. I moved a couple of my cows, all of my cows in, and I didn't really do much in here except for place down my bed. Probably later in the episode I'll move everything in here, if not next. But yeah. Anyways, it's time to move on to the next part of the episode, which is me going to build a skelly grinder with StarMC, also known as William. So, gonna hop on a VC with him right now. But actually, first, I'm gonna head down to the thing, and I'll meet you guys there with William, and we'll start making the farm. We don't have the resources right now, though, so. But I don't think you need too much, I mean, considering. It's just mine out an area and then make grinder, water, you need, you know, stuff. But anyway, see you down there. Yes, sir. Okay, dude, so I'm just exploring around the Skelly spawner, and look what I find over here. A Diamondo. Let's go. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Diamondo. Let's go, dude. Pog. Okay, that's actually really nice, though. Okay, so me and Star are just gonna record a little time lapse of us doing this. Not too special. Wait, say hi.
Hello.
Yes, we are on VC. Yes.
Yes.
Time
For the
lapse
first
time.
time in forever.
Exactly. And we are now done with the skelly grinder, and it looks like
Yep.
it's actually working, which is kind of nice. And from this,
Yeah.
we just
Almost died
continuously...
twice.
Oh yeah, we almost died a couple times, you know. Because it's
Yeah,
Minecraft.
your normal Minecraft stuff.
Yeah, you know, because we are Mine...
Whoops.
What? What?
I was
What?
removing torches. Don't
What
judge
yell
this.
was that?
I don't know. Good question.
I have no clue, dude. Okay.
Oh, we
Oh,
got a bow and arrow.
yo, dude. This is actually pretty efficient. I'm not gonna lie, dude. If we just
Pretty
have,
good.
like, a mending sword or something, we'll be good. Anyways,
Yeah.
I think we should just, like, build up or something.
We need to make a way out of here.
Yeah,
This may dig right into your house.
actually, that may be good, but, you know.
Yeah, just be careful.
Okay, I'll just dig up. See you in a moment. So we're now done with the skelly spawn. I just made a little water elevator back up. It's nothing too special. It's not automated or anything, but it'll work for now. And the skelly grinder actually works so good, dude. I'm actually like really surprised. Like, I usually don't make mob grinder farms, but like because I never thought they actually were good. I didn't think they would like give this much, but these are mainly gonna be used for the XP and stuff. So I'm gonna go back up and move the enchanting table down here. And we're back down to the skelly grinder, where I'm just gonna place the enchanting table. Of course, it's not even floor, so I'm gonna place it a little bit off to to different direction. Won't be too bad, but you know, it's gonna annoy me a lot. I know that for sure. And there we go. There is our level 30 enchanting table, whatever you want to call it. And oh my gosh, dude, this is so good. I'm gonna say it again. I underestimated the power of the dark side. I mean, the skeleton grinder and the mob spawner XP grinders. But I think I may want to enchant some more stuff so I can get more rich. And the only thing I really need to enchant is my chest plate and my pickaxe for right now, which I'm actually going to craft another pickaxe because my current one is on super duper low durability, and at this point it's not worth enchanting it because it's going to be super hard to bring it back up. So I think we should just go with the efficiency 4. I really hope I get something good, or else I'm gonna rage quit the game. Proceeds to rage quit. Okay, that is not good at all. So, oh, that's so bad. Okay, so we're just gonna, you know, casually smelt some cobblestone. I smelt some cobblestone down. And we are going to actually make a grindstone. So I can de-enchant my pickaxe, continue grinding levels, and then repeat the process over and over. And there we have it right here. We can craft our first grindstone. Place it right here. Disenchant the efficiency 4. See what we can get again. Efficiency 4. Oh, I feel like this is going to be a common thing. So anyways, guys, I think I'm just gonna continue grinding up to level 30 and, you know, getting better enchants and stuff. And I think this is where I'll end my episode today. Probably a very short one. I'm sorry for that. It's probably just been a little time lapse and everything. Didn't do too much except for, you know, probably enchanting. And I'll probably have everything enchanted, well, at least everything that I have it enchanted in the next episode, and when I record, I'll be all shiny and everything. But anyways, thank you for tuning in to episode 4, I believe. I'm not sure, but anyways, thank you for tuning in, and yeah. Outro complete.